Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Esplansia. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. As you can see, today I'm joined by
Ace the artist.
yeah, so basically today's video is going to be a makeup challenge. So Ace is an artist, as you've heard already, and he feels he can do makeup. Do you really think you can do makeup?
I'm Ace the artist.
Okay, so we have 15 minutes and Ace is going to do my makeup. Should we give you a look to do, or you just freestyle?
I think freestyle is better.
Okay, tell us what's on the table.
Alright, so guys, what we have here, this is the brush, the blender. This is the sub blender. Okay, honestly, I don't know what's here.
Okay,
but
what's
think,
this?
No,
what's
this is the eyeliner, right?
Yeah.
Shadow eyeliner.
What's this?
The thing. Yeah, that's where the
eyeshadow palette.
Yeah,
and then what's this?
That's the blender.
If this is the blender, then what's this?
Oh, that's the sub blender.
Wow.
Okay, honestly, look. Okay,
wow.
Yeah. This is the blender, yeah. This one is the, what do you call this? Concealer. It's the concealer.
Yeah. And then what's this?
This one is.
You obviously know that one.
No, I don't. Oh, Fit Me foundation.
You don't have to read the Fit Me. That's the name of the foundation. So this is the foundation we are going to be using today.
Okay, honestly, guys, I don't know anything about makeup, but with the knowledge I have of art, I will try to
finesse.
Best, you know what I mean? Oh, we've got some lip gloss as well.
Yeah.
That I know.
So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Alright. So I've obviously seen someone, do this. Those what was this? Foundation. Yeah, so so now how do I do this? Like I put it on your face?
You can put it on my face.
Or just like everywhere, yeah? Looks like chocolate on your face.
I don't have to say anything. Just
Okay.
do your thing.
I really hope this works out.
This is Ace the artist.
Use this, the blender.
Going to finish. I look like a ghost. Does it feel like you're doing art?
Yeah, sort of. Like with the blending and everything. So guys, we're done with the foundation. Is it the foundation? Alright, so we're done with the foundation. So next we're gonna go to the concealer.
I don't know. I think you're going to freestyle it. So what are you going to use the concealer for? Okay, why are you putting concealer on my face?
Alright, so the concealer is basically just to highlight the certain parts of the face, like.
Have you been watching makeup tutorials?
What?
Okay.
No, honestly, I haven't been watching. It's just that in art, there's sometimes where stuff like this would put as a base color, and course, there are like darker shadows that we put like in the eyes, the nose, maybe below the lips here. Yeah. Then concealer is more like the light shade of the brown. Alright, so yeah, so this is crazy, y'all. This is crazy, goddamn. Okay, yo, I'm tough. I did such redeem. What this used? What is this used for? Okay, tell me.
You know how like girls draw their eyebrows, eh?
Yeah.
So now, like when you draw my eyebrows, you're supposed to like control the shape of my eyebrows using this, like conceal, like hide some parts, like to make it smooth, you know.
Yo, let's get to work.
Have you drawn my eyebrows?
Oh. So we have the what's this called again? Okay. So I'm gonna draw her eyebrows and then try to shape them up and see how we're gonna do it. Alright. Alright, let's do this.
Concentration. They're not bad. Next
artist. Alright, so what we have next here is we're gonna put in the concealer. Is that not?
Yeah, closer. Now you know how you're drawing it.
Straight oh, here.
Like
over.
Like shaping. No, like shaping. How am I even telling you? Like shaping the eyebrow. Now you're going to like finesse the shape of the eyebrow. Right now it's not like perfect. Do you see how girls' eyebrows like come out like just proper?
So now I have to come and blend with this item then.
Why do you look so proud?
Alright, so I'm just gonna do.
Don't even ask me. Just do what you think is right.
Okay, come here.
Am I going to remain like this? The eyebrows. Don't tell me I'm remaining like this. Wait. So I was supposed to remain like this?
Yeah!
How? Why? Do you see people working out like this?
Yeah!
Sure, okay, so let's run it. Let's run it. Alright.
They're not bad. Like they actually look good.
I know. So after this, guys, I'm gonna put some powder, just to relax the tone on the face, just to make everything smooth, All right, let's get to work. Yeah, it's a stack of powder. This is actually kind of fun, though. I think I'll actually consider doing this. Alright, so we've smoothened up her face, you know. I mean, comment down below, you know, about the stage, you know, what she looks like now.
Yeah, comment down below how you
What
think
you
I
think?
look right now.
The eyebrows and the powder. Alright, so now we're gonna go to, what do they call this?
The eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadow.
Oh yeah. So we're going to go to the eyeshadow. How do you guys usually do this? Alright, so I'm gonna pick a few colors here.
Okay, so guys, I don't have that multi-colored eyeshadow palette. I just have this one with the nudes, and I actually like using the nudes, so yeah.
Yeah, with this one, I'm gonna go with this dark one and then highlight it on top with the light one. Maybe even a little bit of this. Alright, so we put the dark nude, like this nude. I'm not really good with nude colors. But anyway, the darker one, the darker shade. So I'm gonna put the lighter shade on her face and then see how it comes out.
I already look cute.
Okay, so let's put the eyelashes here.
Yeah.
Just to see my hand doing this. Which hand?
Now, since you're an artist, you can even go crazy with this one. This one's white.
Oh wait.
Wait, you want to use white?
Yeah, I think white would be alright. Okay, let's do this. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's do this. Fingers crossed. I don't know what was that. I didn't do that, yeah. Yeah, it's not like where you could erase on the paper.
The foundation, the eyebrows, and the eyeshadow looks fine, but then
What do you guys think though? So rate this out of what am I doing down here? Bro, let's see the shoot. Alright.
It's a splur. We ain't playing no games, it's a splur. We ain't playing out here, it's a splur. We ain't playing no games, yeah. You know how we get it, you know how we do it, it's a splur.
So guys, if you need your not guys, ladies, if you need your makeup done, just call Ace the artist, or just, you know, come to my salon, Ace Saloon.
I really think he didn't like do a bad thing, like a bad job. This actually looks nice. You did a good job. Because most girls actually struggle with the eyebrows. Tell me if I'm lying. Like, eyebrows be facing different directions, but these ones are fine. Though he didn't conceal like the bottom, but then I think the only thing that messed up this look is the white what do you call it? Liquid eyeliner. Yeah. Otherwise, everything looks fine. It's just a simple look, like just a simple glow up look. Otherwise, it looks nice. I wish I had lashes, so that you should put lashes.
Yeah, I think on the next one, when I watch the tutorial, if I should watch the tutorial, just comment down below.
Do you think Ace should start doing makeup, guys?
Yeah, guys, comment. Let us know if I should. If I should, I mean, I'm gonna be the toughest on in the industry, in the industry of makeup.
So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, Ace, for joining us today and doing this lovely look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. I have more content coming your way. Thank you for 800 subscribers, guys. Like, I'm on my way to 1K. Can you believe it? Yeah. So subscribe, share this video with a friend, and yeah. Bye.
How we do it, it's a splur.